Hot days call for no oven. The Cosori TurboBlaze is a smart, all-in-one air fryer that handles baking, roasting, frying, and more without turning up your kitchen heat. This model is a feature-packed 6-quart air fryer with a powerful DC motor that cooks up to 46% faster than earlier Cosori models. You get 9 cooking modes: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat and keep warm, plus 5 fan speeds that give you precise control over airflow and texture. The turbo modes are especially fast, roasting peppers in minutes instead of hours. The 6-quart square basket fits family meals and sheet pan dinners, yet the unit stays compact and countertop friendly. Both the nonstick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Smart features include VSync app support and Alexa or Google Home voice control, so you can preheat, change temps, or start a session from your phone or smart speaker. It's also impressively quiet, under 60 decibels, even at full power. On performance, it delivers crispy fries, juicy chicken, and golden veggies in record time. Temperature recovery is solid, though long bake accuracy could be a bit tighter, worth knowing if you're doing precision baking. Retail price lands around $119.99, but sales often drop it to $90 to $100. Great value for a smart, family-size air fryer that handles full meals without the oven. Bottom line, the Cosori TurboBlaze blends fast cooking, smart control, and solid build quality into a compact, affordable package. If you want oven-quality results without the heat or hassle, it's a strong pick. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!